Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1965 Mustang Fastback. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Started with we had the 347 Ford, power forged pistons in there, brand new timing cover, new balancer, roller lifter camshaft. Customer wanted the Afr Heads, we have those on there. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. Painted the engine block Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. Customer also needed the rear sump pan, so we got the rear sump pan for his application. Dipstick and tube on there, breather. Distributor set in place. We have the MSD ignition coil, Holley Sniper fuel injection, Mustang air cleaner on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. The entire Holley Sniper fuel injection will be completely dialed in, the menu screen, pretty much be plug and play, ready to go. We have the oil pressure extension on there for easy hookup, heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filter, QuickTime Bellhousing, proper alignment ring for the customer's T5 transmission. Clutch is all set up and aligned, throw-it bearing, clutch fork, ready to go. We have the high torque mini starter. It's real nice red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. PCV ventilation line on there. Manifold vacuum fittings all hooked up for easy hookups, all set. We have the Wraptor serpentine pulley kit on here. Real nice setup. It has a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, aluminum water pump, thermostat housing, correct thermostat housing for the 65 Mustang. Thermostat's installed. We have the 160 amp alternator, 1-wire hookup right there. Power steering pumps on there. So this is the way you get it. Again, we live run every engine for over 45 minutes. They completely dialed in. You'll see a video of your engine running in stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, Holley Sniper, EFI, again, all set, timing set, drop in ready. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.